everybody, I'm back for another video. You saw me unbox this yesterday, and I've got my art insert in my Bohodori mustard. I still haven't tried cleaning it. We'll see. But the reason we're here is I do have something that's this size, but it came in a much bigger box than I was expecting. You can see right there it says Designs by Planner Perfect. And I wasn't expecting it to come in a box, actually. So let's... I was expecting just an insert. Oh, there it is. Let's see what all we have in here. Let me get my tea out of the way. So if you don't know, Designs by Planner Perfect is Jenny Penton, and she's like, known as Planner Perfect for creating her system that she uses to organize and plan her day. And she has that's their webpage, Designs by Planner Perfect, and she has a YouTube channel. She also has a podcast, and I think she wrote a book about her Planner Perfect system that she uses. Oh, okay. So look, first thing is there's a beautiful card, and it's Planner Perfect on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Write a better story. Look at that. And it has that's her own artwork. That's, a daisy? And the flower in the center? And I was not expecting all of this. I was expecting just a November insert. So I don't know if this is always included or something that Jenny did. But let's see. This washi is also her artwork. And let's see what we've got here. Oh, I'm horrible at starting new washi rolls. There. Look at that. It's her beautiful pumpkin artwork. Here. Let me put it down on here so you can see. So there's her pumpkin washi. And let's see what the other one is. It looks like it's text. It looks like it might say, write a better story. I think that's what it says. I cut my nails the other day, so I can't peel this off. Let's see what this says. There we go. Where's the... Yes! It says, write a better story. So I got this beautiful pumpkin and this write a better story washi. I really like that. That's cute. So, and also one thing I like about it is it pretty much goes on clear, like you can't really see the paper. You can see just a little bit of a glare from the tape. So that's cute. So there's a bunch of... Okay, this is what I was expecting to come, but I wasn't expecting to look all fancy like this. How nice. So we're in a little cute little pouch. It actually looks like the very similar to a Foxy Fix pouch. But here it is. This is a B6 Slim insert. You'll see there it is with the Chic Sparrow. Here it is with the Bohodori. And this is her artwork. I don't know if it's printed or painted on. But you can see right here that this insert is a stitched insert. So what is in her insert? So this is a fall plan book. And then it has her Hello November and the artwork again. Very cute. It feels like a nice textured cardstock. It actually feels like watercolor paper. Something like, you know, like that, like a watercolor paper. So it comes with, make sure I'm in the center of the screen. Yeah, there we are. So it has our November. It's a Sunday start. There's another one of her little pieces of artwork, the little scarecrow. And I think this is all of her lettering too. She's a wonderful letterer. And hello goals. So you're supposed to use these first few pages for setting goals and things that you want to do. And then it says hello daily life. And I think Jenny uses like 2 pages per day in her system. So that'd be like the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there's 30 double-page spreads. 31, 32, 33, 34. So there's 34 double-page spreads after the daily life. Very cool. And you can see it is machine stitched. And I thought I saw somewhere a watermark. This looks and feels like the Strathmore. Yeah, I think there's one. I thought I saw one. Right down there it says writing paper. 25% cotton. Yeah, this is the white, because they have like ivory, they've got a cream, they've got a natural white, which they've got a white, which that's this, they've got a bright white, and then they have like an ultimate white. And that just, you know, shows how much bleach that they use in the paper when they're turning it from the pulp to paper. And this is 25% cotton writing paper. So it's a mixture of cotton and wood, which is actually wonderful paper. It's great for fountain pens. It's great for all of that. We actually use this paper, this type of paper here at Peaky Dory Designs. But I just wanted a wonderful fall inspired insert, and I'm gonna see if I can use this next month for in my what's it called in my B6 Slim. I have a monthly planner, a Peaky Dory Design, a month at a month at a glance. And then what I have been using this month, I got a Michael's coupon I'm going to save for next week. I've been using the Hobonichi style that Growing Up Goddess, that Alexis at Growing Up Goddess created. Yeah, there it is, Growing Up Goddess. So I think this will take place of that next month in here, and we'll see. And you can see it is quite a thick insert, and it's because of the paper. It's a thick paper. It has a high GSM count. I'm not sure about this one, but it's probably anywhere between 24 and 28. It feels like the 24, because when you get the 28 or 32 GSM, like, you would not be able to see through that. So this is a little bit thinner, but because you have so many pages, it's nice. So that way it doesn't make the insert too thick. So there you go. I just wanted to share a quick little look at what I got sent from Planner Perfect. This was the only thing I was expecting, was the insert. I wanted to give that a try. But it came with a beautiful little bag, and it came with a couple of things of washi, which I'm not sure if those come with it normally when you buy it. So I will link Planner Perfect down below, and I will post some videos in November so you can see how I'm using this insert and how I'm doing, if I can be a Planner Perfect or not. I don't know if I can, because that's a lot of pages. That's a lot. Maybe 2 months. Maybe use the first half for November, and then I can insert, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to try. I'm going to try it, because her planner and her inserts, when she's done with them, look so beautiful. Look for her. Look at her Instagram to see her beautiful photos of her daily spreads. They look gorgeous, and her handwriting is just impeccable. So I will link Planner Perfect down below, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.